Thanks for tuning in and welcome back to The Heat. This is our 2017 Toyota HiAce Super Budget camper build. Come take a look. We haven't done a whole lot to this vehicle, but that's kind of the point. We are from Canada and this van is in Panama. We come here a couple of times a year and we use this as our base. Last time we came down, I put together a frame to support the mattress, and this time we bought the mattress and put it in. How much does that cost on a budget? Well, the mattress was 159 bucks and I built the bed frame out of $100 worth of aluminum and probably $20 worth of printed parts. 36 bucks for a set of sheets. I think this was 20 and really we don't need it. $3 each for the pillows, and that's all you need for a bed.
Nice.
Now, it is a little warm down here, so there's a couple things that you might want to add. One, we've got screens on both side and back doors. I think they're about 25 bucks each on Amazon. At night, it does get dark fairly early. So, of course, we've got our little LED light strip. Pretty straightforward. I think they're like 10 or 15 bucks on Amazon now. Electric cooler. Gotta have one of those. I think that was 49 bucks at Novi. And speaking of cooler, if you don't have one of these, you're gonna wanna get one. This is a USB rechargeable tent fan, and you just hook it up. Go, and it's so much better.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Now, this part isn't done yet. This is the base cabinet for our kitchen. Now you can see I still have an open end on it, and that's because I haven't built the upper level yet. Ran into some measurement difficulties and material difficulties. And if you're wondering what went wrong or why it looks a little unfinished, is there is an intention to have a second layer on top here. There's another 15-inch deep cabinet with sliding doors on the front so we can access our storage bins inside from each side. And this is all made out of aluminum box tube, aluminum angle, and this is called ACP, or aluminum clad panels. It's all bolted together with these 3D printed parts that I made at home before we came. Same thing as I did with our bed. But all said and done, when I do get that upper part built, that whole front cabinet will have cost about $100. What about this whole shade setup here? And the solar panel? Well, that was 90 bucks with a charge controller. This was a $4 tarp, two $3 paint sticks, and $2 worth of rope. If you're keeping track so far, that's $12. Now there's two more parts to this that make the whole thing work. And that is those two suction cups on the roof, which I bought 4 of on Amazon for $25. So if you're counting, we're up to about $24 for a shade awning. Now they're clearly not the best, but we bought 2 of these chairs for $3 each. I don't know how much longer they're gonna last, but they work right now. There's one thing that we found that really makes a difference when camping in the heat, and that is this little $15 shower. This plugs into the 12-volt outlet of the vehicle, draws water from a bucket, and oh man, when it's this hot out and there isn't a breeze like there is right now, wow, that really makes a difference. Oh, and we have curtains in the back and in the front. These are just standard household expandable curtain rods. Nothing special here, nothing special about the curtains. It was a while ago, but I want to say we spent less than 25 bucks on all of that. In the cab, not much special. We have a little inverter so I can charge things like my tools and computer. I've added a couple extra USB outlets in here. We have a reversing camera, which is great for backing out of little spots. And I've actually wired these up to an auxiliary power switch over here so that I can turn them on when the ignition is off. I can also turn them off when the ignition is off. Other than that, bone stock up here. I guess the bottom line of all of this is to say you don't need to spend a bajillion dollars to convert a $100,000 van. This Toyota HiAce was over 300,000 kilometers and 8 years old when we bought it. And get this, when we bought this vehicle, we didn't even have an address here. You just show up, find one that you like, buy it, and show them your passport.
Sweet!
Of course, right now this is just our campsite. Eventually this will be our house site. But again, the whole point is you can get out there and do this for cheap. You don't need to do an expensive conversion. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.